I'm Daniel Matewula. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we'll be talking about COVID-19 vaccine, Pfizer or BioNTech. This vaccine uses a new approach called messenger RNA or mRNA, which delivers instructions for making the coronavirus spike protein directly into your cells. Scientists have been working on mRNA vaccines for many years. They are developing other mRNA vaccines to prevent cancer and other conditions. mRNA COVID-19 vaccines, by delivering spike protein making instructions to your cells, which begin making them. Some of these spike poke their tips outside of your cells. Others get cut up inside of your cells, and their tips drift to the outside of the cell, where your immune system can see and respond to them.
In April 2021, South Africa signed a deal for 20 million doses of the PFIZER BIONTECH vaccine. This means 10 million people in South Africa will receive the PFIZER BIONTECH vaccine. The PFIZER BIONTECH vaccine requires 2 injections given 21 days apart. The vaccine does not contain any animal products and is halal. You cannot get COVID-19 from the vaccine or from PFIZER BioNTech vaccine. It takes about 2 weeks after the second dose of the PFIZER BioNTech vaccine for your body to build full immunity against COVID-19.
The Pfizer or BioNTech vaccine has been studied in an 800-person trial in South Africa. In these, 9 people, all in the placebo group, got COVID-19, with 6 of these cases caused by the Beta variant. This translates to a 100% effectiveness rate in the small trial.
Vaccines have side effects, as we know of any other drug, which is caused when the immune system reacts to them. This confuses people who think that the vaccine has made them sick, but it really means that the vaccine is working. These side effects, which are usually mild, last for a day or 2. Side effects include fever, pain or swelling near the injection site, chills, aching muscles, feeling tired, nausea, and vomiting.
Reports of possible heart conditions. Health regulators are looking into reports that Pfizer vaccine may be linked into inflammation of heart muscles called myocarditis, or tissue around the heart called pericarditis. Both of these conditions can be treated, and these cases of myocarditis largely resolved without any issues. This is happening mainly in young men, ages 16 to 30, 5 days after receiving the second shot. Let a healthcare provider know if you have symptoms, which are chest pains, shortness of breath, and heart palpitations. mRNA concerns, because the mRNA approach is so new. People have many questions and concerns about it. People wonder if mRNA vaccines can track them, change their cells and their DNA, or make it impossible for them to have children. But the only thing these vaccines do is to get your cells to make spike proteins. These genes delivered with the mRNA don't become part of your DNA. The mRNA cannot change your cells. It only delivers the instructions to build immunity against COVID-19. mRNA cannot track your movement.
The PFIZER BIONTECH vaccine is given 2 doses. It is safe and 92% to 95% effective at preventing COVID-19 14 days after the second dose. It is safe and effective for people living with HIV and can be used with antiretrovirals. It is safe and effective for people with pre-existing conditions that put them at higher risk for falling seriously ill from the dying of COVID-19. Can be used by pregnant and breastfeeding women. Being studied in trials to see if they are effective against the Beta variant, which is common in South Africa, and being modified to become more effective. Just as effective for Black people, based on the information from the clinical trials, as people of other races, ethnicities. You may want to know how to get vaccinated. New information on vaccines is coming out all the time. The health department has set up this page, sacoronavirus.co.za, stroke EVETS or EVDS. You can register on the Electronic Vaccination Data System, EVDS. Number 1, you can register online at vaccine.enroll.gov.za. Number 2, you can register by using WhatsApp line 0600123456. Or you can also register via SMS by dialing *134 *832 #. And you can also call the COVID-19 vaccine hotline 0800 29999.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.modernartforsouthafrica.co.za. We are also available on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Our handle is Modern Art for SA.